Welcome and happy Monday. It is our last lesson of this course and our final webcam check-in video. I know that our final assignments are falling right into the busyness of this school year ending, and so I want to start with logistics since I imagine you have a bit on your plate these days. On June 5th, we have a couple assignments due. The first is the annotated reading journal, and the assignment description and a sample are included on Canvas. And feel free to submit this whatever way is easiest for you, but you can submit it via the comment box on the assignment. But any way that you send it to me is fabulous, and I will let you know when I receive it. Also due on June 5th is the final project. There are again samples included online, and the key piece, just as a reminder, is to make these projects relevant to the work you're doing in your building with your colleagues, or what you plan to do next year. Again, you can submit your assignment via the comment box on the assignment, or however is easiest for you and your group. Some of you have submitted your final projects already, and I've returned your feedback via the Canvas email system. So if you haven't received that, let me know, and I will send it back to you in a different way. A final reminder, our final seminar is on June 8th from 12:30 to 2:30 in the usual location, and we will present these final projects, and I'll send you some information in the next week or so, just with logistics of what you are going to be sharing. Shifting gears to the Lesson 8 discussion forum. In reading your responses to Lesson 8, I thought it was important to note that question 1 focused on suggestions that stood out in the examination of data use in school, and almost everyone that responded to this question made note of, on page 142, the implementation indicators. And so I wanted to bring that to everyone's attention, that you might highlight it or tab it or sticky note, whatever you might do, as this might be a really helpful tool as you move forward in your work as teachers, leaders, and data use next year. Most of you responded to the article Mindsets Are Key to Effective Data Use, where you explained how you might utilize this idea of mindset to guide your work as a instructional leader, especially in your work in next fall and next year. What was most fun in reading these posts this week was the dialogue used around DataWise, with comments like, "We've moved too quickly through the prepare section of the process," or "We need to really slow down and look for the learner-centered problem," or "Examining problems of practice for our PLC next year." And I hope that you can all take some time to reflect on your own knowledge and growth around assessment literacy and this improvement process knowledge as this course concludes, because it is so evident through these forum posts the incredible growth in your thinking around data use, the improvement process in your buildings and in your team. So thanks so much for all these forum posts and allowing me the opportunity to see all this growth. In terms of the next lesson, Lesson 9, our last one, the presentation is under Lesson 9 on Canvas. It's about a 16-minute presentation and a 7-minute video, so about 25 minutes by the time you also do some reflection. The final lesson is focused on considering how to assess and support progress as you implement a data-driven action plan for instructional change. We're finishing up the ACT section, the final section of the DataWise instructional improvement process. Last lesson, we spent time learning the steps necessary to create an action plan focused on specific instructional improvement. And now we're shifting to focus on examining how to monitor teacher and student progress and provide necessary support. This lesson examines 2 questions. How will you know whether you're making progress, and what does progress mean in the context of your plan? And in order to look at this topic, we have 2 assigned readings, both Chapter 7 and 8 of DataWise. For our final discussion forum, there's a post due for Lesson 9 by Thursday, June 2nd, and then responding to 2 colleagues by Sunday, June 5th. Again, the same day as the other 2 assignments, so monitor accordingly. I look forward to this forum, as I have all the other discussion forums, as you show how you are taking the learning around assessments and results to change instructional practice in ways that make long-term meaningful differences for students. That should do it for this week. Have a wonderful week ahead. Let me know if you have any questions that arise as you start doing these assignments. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all online. Take care.